Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 30, and today I'll show you how you can apply screen protector to your phone. So tempered glass that I'll be using, as you can see, is for a different phone, but it doesn't really matter because if you see in a second, it basically fits perfectly on this phone. So truth be told, even though it says like 20, they're for the most part just kind of like universal for the screen size, so you see it fits on this one just perfect. Anyway, with your tempered glass, you should get obviously your tempered glass, and additionally you should also get, oh, for goodness sakes, there we go, this. So in here we have a wet and a dry wipe, so you can use those. Personally, I do prefer to use something like a microfiber cloth, which I have right here, just because it's a little bit bigger, and personally I think it cleans the display a little bit better and easier than the wet and dry wipe. Obviously you can use those, but when you look at the actual like size of them, you can get to see that this is absolutely huge. Now additionally, this is supposed to be a wet wipe that I opened, right? Yep, this is a wet one. It's not wet. You can kind of see it doesn't, like, it's not wet at all. Let's see, I got another one laying here just so I can kind of maybe show this. Nope, this one is also dry. But the wet one, or the dry one. Nope, also dry. So right now, two screen protectors that I applied had dry wipes as wet. So yeah, you might as well just in this case use a microfiber cloth just because it's bigger, and yeah, that's basically all I got. It's just bigger, and because the wet wipes aren't actually wet for me, they literally defeat the purpose. So anyway, that's what I'll be using. Now, as you can see, I do have a case applied to the phone. That's completely fine if you have one on your device as well. Just make sure that the tempered glass that you will be applying doesn't get in the way of the case, or the case doesn't get in the way of the tempered glass. You can use it, if it basically is like a snug fit, you can use that case as a way to guide your tempered glass into place. Might be easier for some people. The way I apply my tempered glass is I basically find an edge, like for instance here, and make sure that it is evenly spaced left and right side, and additionally that it is positioned at the bottom also evenly, so the distance from the bottom is the same on either side. And then while basically pressing it down, I'll drop the glass on my screen, and it should just land kind of perfectly in place, assuming you are holding it correctly. So the way I also pinch it right here at the top, I pinch it the way that it basically is aligned evenly at the top as well, and when I drop it, it should just flop down correctly. So that's kind of how I go about it. So anyway, let's just get to the cleaning of the display. Good enough. So you want to primarily get rid of all the smudges and like dirt that you'd normally have. At this point, if you have some kind of like dust settle on your screen, you don't need to worry about it just yet, because you first want to prepare your tempered glass. So the way I do it, I just keep my microfiber cloth ready. I will peel that off and then give like gentle couple wipes on the screen just to get rid of the dust that could have settled on the display, while having this already peeled and ready to apply. So there we go. Like so, and you can see that it is already like applying itself, and I apparently I had something right here. That's unfortunate. And something here as well. What the heck? I think these trashes were actually on the tempered glass itself, because there was literally nothing on my screen, especially nothing white like that. So yeah, now normally I probably would reapply this, but it can give you a little bit of a pointer if for some reason guess you get screwed over with the glass like I did, because obviously there was nothing on the display. You can use something like these tweezers and try to lift it up and just grab them, which I'll kind of try to demonstrate just a little bit. There we go. So I got one trash out of there. And yeah, as you can see, it now completely covered right here. So I'll just go about and remove that as well. And probably this. As you can see, it can be done. It doesn't really like mess up the actual tempered glass too much. So you can just use tweezers to remove them. Anyway, that is kind of how I guess you could apply your tempered glass if you didn't get completely bunked with the some faulty tempered glass like I did. So yeah. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.